What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. This time it's a little bit different. Yeah, it's a video that I don't want to make. It's a video that I shouldn't have had to make. Because considering this is going to be something that happened years ago, I'm still getting the rebate off it, the rebound off it, the stuff that's still coming away from it. You get my point? Literally, I woke up this morning, right, and I received an Instagram message that came through. I'll pop it up on screen now, see if I can do it. I like the user because I'm not childish and all that sort of stuff in it. But as you can see, there's no fancy studios, there's no fancy places there. I'm literally just kicking it, blank wall. That's all you need, innit? Ideal for some of your editors to do a green screen is what that is. Anyway, purpose of this video, yeah, I'm going to come at you and be real with you. It's regarding the paranormal, yeah. Now, I know many of the OG followers or friends on Facebook, whoever's going to watch this video, yeah, will know I was part of a team with my best friends, basically, for a number of years. I mean, years. This is going back, right? Forget how much time is going. And as a male, at 31 years of age, I still shouldn't be getting this sort of a boost and stuff coming my way because of it, which is mind-blowing. So let's get a few facts straight, let's get into it, and I'm going to tell you what's happening, right? I'm not even going to mention no names. We'll address person as person A, person B. I won't mention no team names. Then nothing can go wrong, nothing can have any comebacks. Even though the stuff is still coming at me, we're all good at me. Because would you believe not, right? The situation, the thing that happened all those years ago, obviously where the team dismantled, I'm still made out to be such a bad person to so many people is ridiculous because I'm a bigger person. I don't need to preach. I just walk away from situations, look forward, head forward, and I'm like, right, the real people, I know who I am, which is the most important thing. And don't worry, this isn't one of the breakdowns or anything. This is literally just true facts, okay? So anyway, Paranormal team, which I co-founded, which I set up on the social medias off my account, aside from the YouTube wasn't my account. Social media, all that sort of stuff was. Many of you that follow it will follow it because of me. Quite a big friendship group on the social medias due to the Volkswagen scene, toy scene, etc., etc. So a lot of people will know that. I've got even no plan with this video. I'm just going to do thoughts as it comes across, right? Because it's important. I'm just going to be real with it. That's the only way I know how to be. Anyway, so it comes about, we investigate some incredible locations over the years. There's no doubt. Made some good memories. There's no doubt. Anyway, over a certain amount of period of time, yeah, things started happening. And it came to it towards about 3 years ago now. It was about November, just before Christmas, right? And I just brought up a question that there was money going missing from the YouTube money, which was going into someone else's account. I feel even bad just chatting this, but it's true facts. So I addressed the situation, which ended up with a bit of a frenzy. And basically, I was removed from the paranormal team. I was logged out on my Facebook social media for that team, even though it was mine. I was kicked out of the YouTube for it, so I couldn't see anything else that was going on. And that was it. And then there's been dramas ever since, yeah? So obviously I kicked Viking Views, my best bro Dan in this, shout out. We do everything together. So he's got a massive passion into the paranormal, has done for many, many years. That's hence why he was part of that team also. So I was like, right, I want to do it. This is what's happened. So I walked away from the situation, yeah. We built what we call ourselves Portal Paranormal at the start. That was literally just like a bit of a name to get going, just to get something happening. Obviously, you know what happened in March 2020. The world ended, didn't it, basically? So we didn't get much of a chance to get going. Since that point, we've investigated some incredible places, caught some incredible footage. I tell you what, the ancient ramen on that episode, yeah, is one of the best things to me that's ever happened. Go and have a little look at that. Link will be in the description below anyway. And if you make it through this video, me rambling, incredible. Thank you. Awesome. Do you know what I'm saying? But obviously we've been kicking our side project, Viking Views, and that's what we've been doing a lot of, yeah? Again, making incredible memories. But anyway, what we sort of done then, right, we got other people involved with it, other members that were in the original team have come along, because they're best friends, they're bros, you know what I'm saying? And so we linked there, got a shout out to our club as well, innit? And so we've been making plans, we've been getting going, we've been catching up on previous evidence, ready to get going. But on the social medias, we've been having a bit of a push, set up a Facebook group, all this stuff. It's kicking, it's going, let's go. So, but now I'm getting backlash from that, which is complete mind-blowing, saying I'm ruining someone else's life by doing this. Right, if anyone's life was ruined, it's me. I'm the innocent one. I'm the one who had money stolen from me. I'm the one who got kicked out of my paranormal group. I'm the one, right, that as a friendship dissolved, yeah, I'm then the one who learned a load of facts about lies and stuff that was told about me to keep me and other people out of a certain area when a certain group of explorers came down, basically because they wanted to better themselves or not their actual friends. Now, I'm one of these that you kick it with your friends, you support your friends, you support your homies, we win, we all win. You know what I'm saying? I'm of that mentality. So to be kept away and have excuses made up about us for not doing that is absolutely mind-blowing. But the whole money thing, and let's not just say, you know, some people are still in this group, yeah, and for over the last 2.5 years, I haven't been receiving any AdSense whatsoever. So the one person is still pocketing the money. Probably even shouldn't be saying this, but do you know what? I'm not even holding back anymore. I don't care. I'm rolling with it. So yeah, but it's not just that, yeah. It's everything in life, which sounds absolutely bonkers, yeah. I did so much for this one individual person when they had zero money. I was always the one putting fuel in their car to go and explore abandoned buildings, and then yeah, it gets thrown back in my face. I only used them for their car. This mind blowing. And let's not forget, yeah, I had a van and I drove everywhere in that van, weeks and weeks at a time exploring in that van. But that gets thrown out the window. But that's what happens when you get so obsessed with someone and falling so in love with someone. They just twist everyone else's friends, i.e. us, around their little life and their little plan. But I don't think I should be getting any backlash from this when I've done nothing at all wrong. So I'm moving forward and I'm going to have nothing but positive vibes with the paranormal. And I don't feel like I need to mention the old stuff anymore. If you're just finding us right now, just look at us now. Even though we've got years of experience, done some incredible places, it's all brand new content, it's all brand new footage. And there's nothing but incredible, good vibes is what I'm going to say on it. And you know what? I'll probably watch this video back and I'll probably be thinking, you know what? I shouldn't have said some of that. But there's a million things else that I haven't said in which I could said, like the fact of I had to stop wearing my clothes because this person started rocking up in the identical clothes to what I was wearing, switch brands to a different brand, you know, all of a sudden I have to stop wearing that brand because they're now wearing that brand. And it's just personal things that I absolutely love, yeah, like Boeing 747s were my thing, collect Air Jordans, Nikes, that's my thing. All of a sudden they start doing it. The Volkswagen Beetle, my 65 bike, was my thing, was my third Beetle. I always loved Beetles. Then they have to go and get one. You know what I'm saying? That was one of the reasons why I sold the 65, just because of that. And I'm mind blown by it. But I honestly don't care, right? I've been made out to be such a bad person to so many people, like mutual friends we used to do paranormal with, literally everyone. And they only know one side of the story because I've kept quiet about it because I know I'm real. And I know I don't need to do this sort of stuff. So doing this right now is sitting a bit uneasy with me. But I'm going to do it. I'm going to send it out. And I hope that I can get your support on the Paranormal Fellows, link in the description below, because it's an incredible vibe and it's a good vibe. We're getting some incredible plans locked into place. And it's just going to be stuff around the world, not even in the UK, around the world that's getting locked down at the minute. We're currently going through a 30 East drive, which is coming to the latter end. Episode is starting to get built. We've also got a Scared episode, which is going to be coming out. We've got other bits from a remix of things, that's all I'm going to say. And the plan for 2023 is going to be awesome. But I tell you what, on that channel as well, it's not just going to be paranormal. It's going to be like going to the day trips to these haunted places, doing a bit of vlog stuff, some team vlog things, and just museums, exploring stuff. Literally, right, we're going to kick it old school like YouTubers do. And we're just going to get on a complete and utter vibe. But as I said, I'm putting this video out. I don't mean it in a bad way. I don't mean it in no hate, because I'm not a negative person. This is a positive channel. This channel is nothing but good vibes, yeah? But that's partly one of the reasons as well why I sort of dipped off this channel and concentrated on Viking views. Because it was away from the exploring stuff. It was away from what I used to do with certain people. And I've just kicked it on my own path. I'm 31 years of age. I don't need drama. I don't want drama. And I'm ready just to kick it with a good time. Now, as I said, I'll probably get backlash from this video. But you know what? I don't care. I'm not being made out to be a bad person all these years on. And I'm not having random people Instagram me saying I'm ruining people's lives. When, if anything, my life was ruined. And I'm the stronger person that's managed to pick up bits and just move on without all the hate. So, yeah, I tell you what. I'm going to end it there because I'll ramble all day on it and I can say things a lot worse, but I won't because I'm not that sort of person. But I tell you what, December is coming around, yeah? Merry Christmas. I'm excited for the Christmas vibes, putting my actual decorations up tomorrow. And I'm excited, yeah, for where the path is going to be following and where we're going to be rolling the next couple of years. But I tell you what, I can't thank each and one of you enough. Anyone that's ever watched a video on this channel, thank you. And stay tuned because there's amazing stuff coming soon. But obviously, Viking views, yeah, that's manifesting currently. When the winter season is over, mind-blowing stuff. We've got the Paranormal Fellows, which consists of me, Disorder, Mr. Lee Outpost 51. Check his content out. He's making a comeback too. Alan dips in, Chloe dips in, and there's going to be some other guest faces from, well, you might recognize, you might not recognize. That's all I'm going to say, but stay tuned because we're going to take it by storm. But until next time, Exploring with Boss done. Well, Exploring with Boss here. I'm done even. I don't even need to cut that. That's all right. We'll roll with it. And yeah, this is a video I didn't have to make, but it's about time I made it. So there you go. You now know the truth. But yeah, any support, peace and love as per. We done. Merry Christmas.